Early in the morning light, sunshine warm and sky so bright. Pack our bags and off we go to the lake we love so.
Splash, splash by the shore, little waves go more and more. Skip, skip, stones so small. Plip, plop, hear them fall. Quack, quack,
Ducks in a row, wiggle, waggle as they go. Sail, sail, little boat, rocking gently as we float. Tall green trees sway side to side, soft breeze blowing far and wide. Picnic blanket on the ground, yummy treats are passed around.
catch a fish,
Oh, what a sight!
silver sparkle in the light.
Laugh and play the whole day through, lake day fun for me and you. Sun goes down with golden glow, time to pack and home we go. Wave goodbye to water blue, happy lake day.